Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification for my next videos. So before I start the video, this is a disclaimer what I want to give you. I'm not a SEBI registered financial advisor, and this is not a buy or sell recommendation. So this video is for education purpose. If you want to take any call on buying or selling, please advise take advice from your financial advisor, or you can also study and make a decision based on the education what you got it from this video. So today's topic is about uh, one of the uh, great brand, global brand. It's called Burger King. This exists all over world. For me, I think this is undervalued since I'm a value investor. This is a kind of still a value by financial 27. That means from 3 years from now, at least it should give a minimum 3 to 5 uh, times returns it should give. So this is what my analysis. So just I'm assuming and some of the things, and based on that I'm actually valuing this business to be 3 to 5 bagger in by financial 27. Please take a call after only if you get convinced. Yeah, as you see, Burger King. One good thing about this company that in India is, so this is actually called Restaurant Brands Asia Ltd, and this company is actually got a exclusive uh, franchiseship, just to run the Burger King. So in case of Pizza Hut and McDonald's and other things, there are multiple players who are actually managing these franchises in India. But in case of Burger King, it's only this company, Restaurant Brands Asia Limited. So I would say this is a great opportunity to accumulate even for next generation. This is in a global brand. If I go to Europe, US, everywhere you will find this, and also the quality and all and brand name and all it is there. Let's quickly start with this analysis, fundamental analysis of this company. First thing is we should always know what do they do, the business. So they've got two businesses. One is in India and another one is in Indonesia. In India, they've got Burger King brand. One brand is there. So what they sell is burgers. So we can see here these are all the different rates. And one good thing is good thing or bad thing, I don't know what to say. So they have got very good margin. Almost they're making 67% of the margin on the product what they're selling. And also this is not a healthy food for the young generation or the everybody. It's not a healthy food, but however these are all global brands. The trend is changing, all the millennium kids as well as all the people are want to have this kind of fast food. So there is no choice, we should also just keep going through the flow. That's it. So this is the one of the business, Burger King. Apart from this, they also called a cafe, BK cafe, like that. This is the similar to Coffee Day, Starbucks and all. They also got this second brand actually, BK cafe. As you can see, they have almost got almost 334 store, all across India, and they're selling these kind of products. They also here also they got very good margins and very good different kinds of products. And next one is Indonesia. Indonesia, it is actually kind of Burger King only. So you can see the products here. These are all a little different from what they're selling in India. But however, they're also got this is one brand, and also they've got this King Fusion. There is one brand for this different kinds of desert and other things. So apart from this, there is also another one called, as you can see here, Pop Ices. So there is also another this chicken brand, similar to, I know if you have seen in Bangalore, there are five-star KFC and other things. I'm thinking this is a competitor kind of thing. If you see the product menu and other things, it looks like that. But this is also second business what they got in Indonesia. If I come to financials and other details here, still it is a loss making company. Overall, if you see the restaurant count of Burger King is 452, 452. This has actually started operation only in 2014 onwards. I think just only 8 to 10 years back it has started. That's why I mean they have not. It is still in a initial stage of building the stores and all these restaurants and all. That's why I mean they have to invest a lot. So they are planning to open almost like 700 stores by 700 restaurants by financial year 27. So in terms of big cafe, I think it has got 345 stores. Important thing is gross profit. You can see here 67% gross profit they got. Of course, they cannot just by this margin they cannot run the business, right? This is a restaurant rent cost is there, employees salary is there, raw materials is there, so they should also give the promotions. There are different costs are there, and also since they are building up starting setting up new restaurants or stores, because of that still it is this company is loss making. So this is actually same store sales growth. As you can see, each quarter I think they've got a good sales growth. I think what I have seen compared to like McDonald's and other things, they had a small hiccup in quarter three. They have negatively grown, but here I think they've got they're growing at least. That's really good. Anyway, revenue and all I can also discuss in the separate slide. These two are important actually. Yeah. Sales. Yeah. I can quickly also go to the screener.com. So as you can see, just to see the show you the uh, company details. So the market cap is still it is 5,300 is a market cap. That means it comes under small cap. Current price is actually 108. One good thing is actually it is almost like near to the 52-week low only. It's not that much, overvalued as per my opinion. Still, as I said, this is loss making. That's why there is no PU value. And number of shares is 49 crores. And also debt to equity ratio. I think this is also 1.63. It's also on the higher side. Usually, it is always better actually if they got less than one. But however, you can see here from last 5-10 years, it has not done anything. I think the IPO came at the price of 70 or something, and it was actually listed at 135 or something. So it's almost like it is there only. The price has not gone too far. It's going till sometimes till 129 and 130, and it's coming back. I think it is just uh, going around there only. In terms of sales, as you can see, the sales is keep on going up. It was 321 in 2021. Now it has already the quarterly revenue or sales has become 604. So as you can see, I think the operating profit also is there, but only thing is because of the interest rate what they're paying as well as the depreciation, this is under loss. Uh, Even you can see yearly revenue. I think it is almost like 2,354. Yeah, this is what the regarding on the financials. Shareholding pattern. If I again quickly go down for the shareholding pattern as well. Actually, this was actually promoted by one of the PE investor. So, but they keep on selling it. As you can see, this QSR Asia. So these companies keep on selling it. I mean, it's kind of it's not a real promoter old company or something. PE investors means usually they will look for short term cope up the business and then they will sell it. But anyway, the restaurant brands or the Burger King is a international brand. If these guys are not there, then other shareholders will be there. That's why it's not a big risk, I would say. So you can see, I think FI is also holding it. Some of them actually accumulating, and some of them are selling it. But anyway, you can also see the DIIs. I think our mutual fund companies. So somehow ICC Life Prudential already picked up 6.78% of the stake. Even you can see here this Nippon Life India insurance company. This is keep on increasing this stake. Even in December quarter also, now it has become 4.95. Apart from that, also this Quant mutual fund also is increased the stake, and also Tata mutual fund is also invested here, and also Aditya Birla Group company is also invested here. Bajaj Alliance is invested here. Yeah, these are all the main investors. Aditya Sun Life also entered newly here. Other than that, it's mainly public holder. Let's see if there is any uh, great names are there. Okay, here also I think the shares are locked. You can see 7% are held by this Plutus Wealth Management, and Amansa is holding 5.68. So that means it is, if you can see, 11, 12 plus 2, 14% out of this means it's only 20% is held by normal public. If the mutual fund companies and this investment companies are invested, means they don't look for 10%, 20% like that, but usually they look for a big gain. So now let's come to conclusion and valuation, why I am valuing this. So first thing, whenever you're investing in a company, you should always ask the question whether the company will be existing after 10 years, and also if the company is small, and whether it has got a huge potential like that. So first question answer is, yeah, of course it will be there for 10 years, and also maybe another 100 years as well, because it's a global brand. So it's kind of Coca-Cola and Pepsi like that. These brands, once they're built, even though there is a competition between them, so there are kind of set of customers, who prefer this kind of brand. There is no answer for that, because personally, if I see between Coke and Pepsi, I like more of Coke. I don't like Pepsi. I don't know. I don't have the reason. Maybe taste or something. We don't know. Similarly, you have in India, there is a KFC, Burger King, McDonald's. All these companies are there. So out of these, which one you like? I don't know. There are some certain set of customers are there. They will prefer Burger King. It's also same argument in globally. So somehow this is a global brand. There are set of customers who will like the burger only in Burger King or McDonald's like that. So that's why, I mean, these kind of business will definitely be there. No, it's not like if McDonald comes and it can kill the Burger King like that. So they are all competing always. So this was started almost 71 years back, and it is still there. Even if you see another 20, 30 years also, it will be there. 100 years also, you never know. That's why actually, if you see my first slide, I've given for the next generation as well. If you buy it at the starting stage, when the company, when the restaurants and all getting set up, so, and once the this cost is getting over, then the stores will get stabilized. As you can see, there is one matrix there, SSSG, means same store sales growth. So they are also targeting that each quarter it will keep on growing, and the expenses will come down. They don't need to set up a new restaurant or something. Only they have to pay the salary as well as the raw material cost. These are the main cost for the same store, and then they will turn break even, and they will start making money. Even if you open a restaurant, it works in the same way. First, you have a lot of initial cost, then you will start growing the sales, and somewhere some point of time it will break even, and then it will it will start profitable kind of thing. So definitely this is kind of, it is existing for multi years. That is one answer, one this thing. And second one is the company is small. Yeah, of course this company is very small. It's only 5,000 crores market cap as of now. It can become large cap or a blue chip cap as well going forward. So as I said, Burger King just started in 2014, and they were building it in the initial stage of building this. This is one. And next one is the company has got unlimited growth potential. Yeah, of course, so it has got stores or the restaurants only in 450 places all over India now, and they are thinking of opening it in financial year 27. They will bring the count to 700. This is their initial numbers what they are projecting for 5 years. So after 10 years, what will the number of stores? I mean, it's kind of, if you go to Europe, any country, for example, Frankfurt or London or somewhere, so there you will have, each and every corner also they can open the same Burger King. So many stores will be there, the same place. Similarly, this has got a huge opportunity These company can open the stores in taluk levels, district level, all across India. That's why it is a huge potential to growth. It can grow unlimited. Once if the store start getting break even, then you keep on selling the burgers and French fries and all these things. That's why it has got a huge potential, unlimited growth as well. As I said, this is the store count as of now, 452, and by financial year 27 they want to take it to 700. This is same store sales growth. This is 3%. They also want to take it to 8% from financial year 25,000. That means they're going to break even at least from next year onwards. Uh, but let's see. I mean, gross profit 67%, current one. Now they want to oh, you can see here they also improve it to 69% from here. This is a huge margin business. You can see the burger and all. If they're selling for 100 euro, if the chicken, I'm not sure what is per kg chicken and all. But anyway, I think there is a, you cannot question that. They are global brands. They know already the operation. They will do efficiently. The wastage and other things they will reduce. Because of that, they're able to have a good margin here. And Indonesia business, financial year 25, they will make cash break even, and also they're planning to bring the store numbers to 325 in Indonesia. As I said, there is a huge potential, so it's just a starting as of now. So brand name and moat, whether there is any moat. As I said, this is a global brand name, and new generation of million kids are preferring this kind of fast food. You can't avoid it. 65% or 67% on the food product is there. And another good thing is this Burger King, whatever it's operated, this Restaurant Asia is the only company who is having a brand franchisee for having the Burger King franchisee. That's why there is a definitely moat here, and there is no competitors. So it's kind of a taste. If you once develop the taste for Burger King, you don't prefer to go to other restaurant. It's like that. And the final slide, these are all the companies. Jubilant Food is actually Domino's Pizza. Deviani is KFC. Westlife and Sapphire also, I think KFC, Pizza Hut, and all these kind of different businesses they are operating. They are already doing good kind of thing. They are kind of already done the break even. So that's why they are getting you can see here market cap by sales value of 6554 like this. Currently restaurant brand is only getting 2.28. And Barbecue Nation, anyway, it's not a global brand, it's our Indian brand. That's why it is also not getting a lot of valuations. Coffee Day, anyway, you all know that it's struggling. Our so is I don't want to get into this Coffee Day anyway, so that's also struggling. That's why it is also getting low valuations. Otherwise, you can see here 6.6 on an average, 5 to 6 valuation they're getting. Yeah, and sales wise, this is the sales. So my argument is number of stores by financial year 27 would be 700, and I'm expecting a sales of at least minimum of 5,000 crores. You know, so if the minimum sales will become 5,000 crores, I would assume sales to market cap value of multiple of five, similar to these global brands what they're getting. If they get that much, the market cap should become 25,000 crores. So currently, actually, it is as you can see 5,300. Then the price, should be I don't know whether it's visible, but however, actually, this should be the price. 25,000 crores divided by 49. If you do, then it's the price should become 510. The current price is 108. The price will become 500. Should become 510. This is my argument or maybe my analysis. Maybe it could go wrong as well, but only thing is, as I showed you already, each quarter they're growing. Each quarter they keep on growing the sales. I am very very quite optimistic that they will reach a sales of 5,000 crores easily by financial year 27. That is from 3 years from now. As you can see, 2021 they were having 1,000. They almost increased by 2.5% here, 2.5 times. Same way, I think by 27, definitely it's easily, even if you give two times also, it should become 5,000 crores easily. but number of stores and all they're going to increase, and also there is Indonesian businesses there. So because of that, I'm expecting a minimum share price of 510. Yeah, this is my uh, analysis. I hope you liked it. Again, as I said, this is my analysis. Maybe my analysis may be wrong. Please take your own call and contact your financial advisor before taking a buying call. Thanks. Bye bye.